width of the glass. Measure Klavish, adding at least 1 inch in width and height in order to be easily trimmed after the installation. Spray clean water on the glass. Slightly peel off the protection liner on the back side. Spray water on the back side of Klavish. Align Klavish on the glass, starting from the corner. Use a squeegee to repel air bubbles and excessive water from middle to left and right by applying appropriate pressure. Trim surplus Klavish by using a cutter. Use a squeegee again to get rid of air bubbles.